children, I hope you all are safe. Stay home, stay safe, and today we are going to continue our lesson with exercise 1.3. I have skipped question number 1 and 2 because it's a 1 mark questions. We can discuss it in our class itself. So question number 3, the number of people who visited the public library for the past 5 months were 1200. In first month 1200 people were visited the library, and then 2000, and then 2450. In fourth month 60, and in fifth month 3200 people. Now the question is, how many people visited the library in the last 5 months? So you have to find the number of people who visited the library in last 5 months. In first month it is 1200, and in second month it is 2000, and in third month it is 2450, and in fourth month it is 3060, and at last fifth month which is 3200. So you have to add all these numbers to find the total number of people. So I am going to add all these numbers. So 1200 in first month, 2000 in second month, and 2450 in third month, and then 3060 in fourth month, at last 3200 in fifth month. Now we are going to add all these numbers. So 0, and then 5 plus 6 11, so 1, remaining 1. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9, and then 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 11. So total number of people visited the library for last 5 months is 11,910. Okay. Next question. Okay. Charan had a bank savings of rupees 7,50,250. So he is having a bank account of so he is having 7,50,250 rupees in his account. He withdrew rupees 5,34,500 for educational purpose. So you have to find the balance amount in his account. So in his account he had bank savings of Charan. He had rupees 7,50,250, and then he withdrew how much? Rupees 5,34,500. So to find the balance amount, you have to subtract these two numbers, right? If you subtract these two amounts, you will get the balance amount. So the total amount is 7,50,250. From this he withdrew 5,34,500. So I am going to subtract these two numbers to find the balance amount. So 0, 5 minus 0, 5. So I have to subtract 5 from 2. It is not possible. So you have to borrow from this number, and this is 0. So you have to borrow from 5. So it will become 4, and this will become 10. If we borrow 1 from this will become 9. So and it will become 12. We subtract 5 from 12, you will get what? 7. Now we have to subtract 4 from 9. What will you get? 5. And here you have to subtract 3 from 4, which is 1, and you have to subtract 5 from 7, you will get 2. So 2,15,750 rupees. He will have a balance amount of 2,15,750. Okay. And next question, in a cycle factory 1560 bicycles were manufactured every day. Find the number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days. So, for one day they have manufactured 1560 bicycles. They are asking for 25 days, right. So, you have to find the number of bicycles manufactured by the same factory in 25 days. For this, we have to multiply these two numbers. Okay. So, let us multiply. So, 5 into 0, 0, 6 5s 30, so 0 balance 3. Okay. 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 3 which is 28. So, 8 I am keeping this 2 as a reminder. So, 5 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 7, and then you have to multiply with 2. So, 2 into 0, 0, okay, and then 2 into 6, 12, 2 6 are 12. So, I am keeping 2 and keeping 1 as a reminder. So, again 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So, I am putting 1 here and I am keeping 1 as a reminder. At last 2 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 3. So, now we have to add these two numbers. So, 0, again 0, 8 plus 2 10. So, 0, reminder 1. So, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 1 9, at last 3. So, they have manufactured 39,000 bicycles in 25 days. Okay. Next question. Okay. Rupees 62,500 was equally distributed as a New Year bonus for 25 employees of a company. How much did each receive? For this question, you have to divide 62,500 by 25. Okay. See, the total amount distributed among the employees is 62,500, right. Now, we are going to distribute this to 25 peoples. How many peoples? 25 people. So, that we are going to divide this 62,500 by 25. Okay. Okay. So, do you know 25th tables? If you know means you are too good. If you don't know means no problem. You just add 25 with this. If you add 225 means, so 5 plus 5 10 0, balance 1. So, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. I hope you all know this one. So, 25 and then 25 plus 25 will become 50. If you add 25 with this 50, you will get 75, and then if you add 25 with 75, you will get 100. If you add 100 plus 25, so you will get 125. Like this it will goes. Okay. Now, I am going to divide 62,500 with 25. So, okay. So, 225 means 50, right? Okay. Now, subtract 50 from 62. So, 2. If we subtract 5 from 6 means you will get 1. It is 12, and you have to take this 5 here. So, the number will become 125. Already I have told you 25, 2 25s are 50, 3 25s are 75, 4 25s are 100, and 5 25s are 125. So, 5 25s are 125. So, if we subtract 125 from 125, you will get 0, right. So, then you have to add these two zeros here. Okay. So, each person will get rupees 2500. See, total number of total amount distributed is 62,500, and you have to distribute it among 25 peoples. If we distribute 62,500 for 25 peoples means each one will receive 2,500 rupees. Okay. I hope you understand. Next question. Okay, simplify the following numerical expressions. So, here we are having some numerical expressions. The first question is 10 plus 17, so which is divided by 3. Okay. So, this is the solution for the first question. First, you have to add these two numbers. You have to add the numbers which is in the bracket. So, you have to give importance for the numbers which is inside the bracket. So, in this bracket we are having 10 plus 17. So, you have to add 10 and 17. If you add 10 with 17, you will get 27, and then you have to come to the next one which is division. So, you have to divide 27 by 3. So, you know the 3 tables, you have to divide 27 with 3. Okay. So, you know the tables. So, 9 3s are 27, so it will become 0. So, the answer is 9. Okay. Okay. For this we are having a rule which is BIDMAS. Okay. BIDMAS means first one is bracket, B for brackets. We have to give importance for brackets. First you have to solve the brackets and then indices. I for indices and then division. You have to do divisions and then M means you know multiplication, and then addition, at last S means subtraction. So, remember this, you have to solve these equations using these rules which is called a BIDMAS rule. First you have to solve the brackets and then indices, and then you have to do the divisions, multiplications, additions and subtractions. Okay. Now we are going to use this BIDMAS rule for our next sums also. In this also we have used the same. First we have added these two numbers. Why? Because it is inside the brackets. Okay. So, I have added these two numbers and then I am doing the division. So, first give importance to the numbers which is inside the brackets, and then indices, and then division, and then multiplication, addition, at last you have to do the subtraction. Okay. So, next question. Okay. So, next question, 12 minus bracket of 3 minus again bracket 6 minus and again bracket 5 minus 1. So, 12 minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 minus 1. So, already I have told you, you have to give importance for brackets. So, I am going to solve this from the last bracket. So, 5 minus 1 means what will you get? 5 minus 1 means 4, right. So, this is 4 and then you have to subtract 4 from 6. So, this will become 4. So, now I am going to subtract this 4 from 6. So, if we subtract 4 from 6 means you will get 2, right. 6 minus 4 is 2. So here it's 2. Now 12 minus 3 minus 6 minus 4 is 2. So 12 minus 3 minus 2. Now I am going to subtract these two numbers which is in the bracket. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 12 minus 1 is 11. Okay, do you understand? So I am going to give importance for the brackets. So from the last brackets you have to subtract the numbers. So in first bracket we are having 5 minus 1 which is 4, and then 6 minus 4 which we get 2. So you have to subtract 3 minus 2, at last 12 minus 1 which is 11. And the next question is 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 6 divided by 2. This is fully in brackets and this is having a separate bracket. Okay. Now I am going to multiply these two numbers. 100 plus 8 divided by 2. Okay. Keep it aside. And now we are going to solve this bracket alone. So 3 2s are 6. Okay. And here it is minus. After finishing the bracket you have to do the division, right? Okay. So if we divide 6 by 2 you will get 3. So 2 3s are 6. So if we divide 6 by 2 we will get 3. So see, in this bracket we are having, this will become 6 and the answer for this is 3. So here the minus sign is here. So 6 minus 3. Okay, I will tell you again. See, you have to solve the numbers which is inside the brackets. So I am going to solve these numbers. So 3 into 2 means 3 2s are 6 and you have to divide 6 by 2. If you divide 6 by 2 you will get 3, right? Okay. Here it is minus, so you have to subtract this 6 and 3. It is also in the bracket. Already I have told you in bid mass you have to remember this. B means brackets, indices, divisions, multiplications, additions and subtractions. Okay. So we have to find the answer for this bracket also. So 6 minus 3 means you will get 3, right? 6 minus 3 means you will get 3. So see, 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus 3. Okay. Now what will you do? We have finished the brackets, right? Okay. Here we are having a plus, addition, division and again addition. So which one we have to solve first from this? Yeah, we have to do the division. See, we have completed the brackets and we don't have indices here. Then you have to do the divisions, right? Okay. I am going to divide this 8 by 2. So if we divide 8 by 2 means you will get 4, right? So I am going to divide 8 by 2 means we will get 4, which is 2 4s are 8. So if we divide 8 by 2 you will get 4. So here it is 4. And then we are having the same digit. So 100 plus 4 plus 3 which is 104. 104 plus 3 will become 107. So all the operations are same here. So you will get 107 as an answer. Okay, see, after completing the brackets we have to do the next operation. So we are here, we don't have indices. So I am going to divide the numbers. Here we have to divide 8 by 2. So if we divide 8 by 2 we will get 4. So it has become 4. So here the operations are same. So 100 plus 4 plus 3. So, I am going to add all these numbers 100 and this is a unit digit. So, 4 and this one is also unit digit. So, 3. So, 4 plus 3 will become 7 and then 0 and then 1. So, the answer is 107. Okay. And today we have completed our class. I will send you the homeworks through your WhatsApp group. Please try it and send it to me again, and we will meet you in the next class. Thank you.